Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Kabrita Goat Milk Toddler Formula, 14 ounces. How often do you see something made in the Netherlands? The goats are treated well, and organic, and that comes through in this superior product. She is 3 months. Apparently this formula is safe, and a complete nutritional source for infants as well as toddlers. The FDA has certain standards as far as labeling and advertising goes in relation to how the product is produced, and we're Google that if you want to know more. Our baby would wake up from a sound sleep screaming in pain, was constipated, and had silent reflux. This is a great substitute, and our grandbaby had no trouble drinking it right down. FYI, it does not contain a sufficient amount of D3, B vitamins, or folate, but those can be easily supplemented with a baby infant multivitamin. The Kabrita smells fresh, is easy to scoop, and can be easily added to breast milk. Baby may have a cow's milk sensitivity, and was also allergic to commercial baby food with added lemon, Kabrita goat milk, but this is the only one our 4-month-old drinks doesn't cry with. It is a little pricey in comparison to other formulas, but you get what you pay for. Keep an eye out, and prices tend to drop to make this a bit more affordable. As others have said, this is a great formula if your child has gastro issues. Goat milk is the closest to breast milk, and is much easier to digest than cow's milk. She is 4 months old. This was with approval from her pediatrician, and she is thriving along with breast milk. Why the heck has it jumped from 18 to 2,535 between April 6, 2018, and May 15, 2018? On day 2 after switching from Similac Advantage to Kabrita, he was 90 less congested and much better spirits. His pediatrician, while skeptical and concerned at first, was very impressed on his 2-month checkup. This has worked very well, and is completely natural, safe, unlike many supposedly gentle baby lotion that has parabens, alcohol, or other inflammatory substances, and petroleum-based chemicals in them. She's not reacting to it. It doesn't smell, it mixes easily, and she loves the taste. He has a sensitivity to dairy, which is what got me looking into formulas like this. Having iron in the formula for the toddler stage is essential, and this formula has it. Not many do. Reading how the proteins in goat's milk are different than cow's milk proteins, it made sense to try. Within a week she's back to being the happy girl with good appetite she once was. Baby is 9-12 months now, and is a different baby. He is happy, no more spit up, or constipation, he sleeps etc. She's been doing great, and is now 9 months, and only on this formula now. Fantastic quality, far better than all the other alternatives on the market, as it dissolves better in water. Most of them have a funky smell, taste, and/or didn't sit well for our son. Goat's milk is much closer to human breast milk than cow's milk, so it is easier to digest for little tummies. He didn't mind the taste at all. He actually didn't seem to notice the difference between it and breast milk. It has much better smell, and mixes well with water, and doesn't upset baby's stomach. Our son does really well with Kabrita, and doesn't spit up near as much as with milk-based formulas. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.